Hello, dear students of class 5. Dear students, you might have made planes of paper, or you might have made paper boats when it rains to play with rainwater. In the same way, today I will teach you how to make 3D shapes with the help of paper from your maths world. So let's start. Come students, let's learn to make different three-dimensional shapes. Dear students, first of all, have a look at this net. How many boxes are there in it? Let's count the number of boxes. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now notice that all these boxes are equal and all these boxes are square in shape. Dear students, it is a two-dimensional shape and how we can make a three-dimensional shape from it. Students, we will fold these boxes with which a three-dimensional shape will form. So come, let's fold. And first of all, we will fold the first number of square box. And then by keeping second number box in downward direction, we'll fold number 3 and number 4 box. And in same way, we'll fold the fifth number box and then we will fold sixth number box. Now see, this 3D shape will form. Dear students, so what does we notice here? How many faces does this shape has? Let's count. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So students, a three-dimensional shape whose all the 6 faces are equal is known as a cube. So this 3D shape is a cube, like a dice, with which you play snake and ladder. Now how many faces does it has? Let's see. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It has 6 faces. Now look at this net. How many total boxes are there in this net? Let's count the number of boxes. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It has 6 boxes. Dear students, it is also a two-dimensional shape and now we'll make a three-dimensional shape from it by folding the boxes. So first we will fold the first number of box and then by keeping the second number box in a downward direction, we'll fold number 3 and number 4 box. And in same way, we'll fold fifth number box and now we are left with sixth number box. So we'll fold it to form this three-dimensional shape. So we noticed here that it has 6 faces. But these faces are not equal. So which is this shape? This is a cupboard-like shape like an almirah. Now look at this net. In this net also different shapes are there and it is also a two-dimensional shape. And now we have to form a three-dimensional shape from it. And for that what we will do? Yes, we will fold it to form a three-dimensional shape. And first of all, we will fold it from the center. And in same way, we will join its both circular sides to form this shape. Now let's count its faces. It's 1, 2 and 3. So it has 3 faces. So dear students, which is this shape? Yes, this is a cylindrical shape like a cell. Now look at this net. Here it has 2 shapes. One is a circle and another is a triangle. Dear students, it is also a two-dimensional shape and we will fold it to make a three-dimensional shape. Come, first of all, let's fold it from the center. And on folding the triangle, we are left with the circle, and that also we will join with the folded triangle. And see, like this shape will form. Which is this shape? Yes, this is a cone. And now let's count its faces. It's 1 and 2, like an ice cream cone. So we have formed these different three-dimensional shapes. And now we will learn to match these three-dimensional shapes with their net. So we'll match cylinder with this net and cube will match with this net. And in same way, cuboid will match with the second net and cone will match with third net. And now it's turn for your homework, and your homework is to make all these shapes at your home. Thanks.